Hey guys, I'm going Subway. Tom Green style. But it's closed. There's nobody inside.
Hello.
Hey. Did you wash your hands?
Entschuldigung?
You wash your hands?
Yeah, of course.
I don't care. I live in a trailer down in the river, so I don't care.
Sorry?
I live in the trailer. I don't care if you wash your hands. So I want vegetarian. Honey.
Honey
bread.
oat?
Yeah, big one,
Okay.
big one. Okay.
Veggie patty?
Yeah, okay. What else
What else do you want?
is vegetarian?
Cheese.
No, I don't want.
No.
Okay,
Cheese.
next. I for turkey. What is this?
This?
Yeah.
Salad?
Oh really? I never tried before.
Really? Where
Yeah.
are you from?
Turkey.
Turkey?
We don't have this
Really?
salad. No.
Oh. Which city?
Capital. Near the capital.
Istanbul.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Okay. I was once in Turkey, in Izmir, and that was the most beautiful 7 days in my life.
Really? Come on, don't lie. You don't have to say it's beautiful if it's not. Nobody kidnap you or...
Yeah, it's people feel safe there.
Oh really? They like to kidnap young girls there in Turkey. You don't know that? You go
No,
alone.
I don't think so.
You go alone?
Do you want any sauce?
Yeah, like diet, so not
I-
fat. What is not fat?
Mayo?
No.
Ranch?
Without oil. What is without oil?
Ranch, that is
No oil?
yogurt and...
No. Vinegar you have?
What?
Vinegar, honey mustard, yeah. Okay. So this good. I never tried this. Like in Turkey, we don't have. We only eat like bread, you know.
Do you eat here or to go?
Yeah, here. So you not find any husband there in Turkey?
Sorry, what?
You didn't find any husband in Turkey?
No.
No?
No. And that's why I'm sad.
Oh.
I was there only for 7 days. It was impossible.
You wanted to star in a series, Turkey series, right? TV show, huh?
Yeah.
You wanted to become actor.
So. Do you want something?
No,
What?
it's okay.
It's okay. Okay, moment.
Can I give you Turkish money? It's okay?
No.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
How much is it?
6 euros and 49.
6 euros. That's how the house costs in Turkey.
What?
House costs
Oh.
Turkey per month, 6 euros. thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go make fun more. This chick believes everything, man. Unbelievable. Okay, here I take this.
Können Sie bitte nur die Kamera runter?
Okay, this is for YouTube. See, okay.
Trotzdem, Sie dürfen uns
Okay.
nicht so.
Okay, bye Turkey. They say I cannot record, man. I was making fun of some girl, like I'm from Turkey, shit like that. She believes everything, man. And then when I left, I wanted to say bye, and another